Hi, this is Dr. Natalia Kirich from Cumberland Family Chiropractic. Today I'm going to go over the new test that we're offering called My Reveal DNA, which is a genetic test to see what kind of things you can be predisposed to, as well as what your nutrient requirements are. We can't change our genes, however, we can influence them through our lifestyle and nutritional choices that we make. So the test is done very simply. There is no blood drawing, there's no spitting into any tube. It's a nasal swab that you stick into a solution and mail it in an envelope to the lab. They take about 2 to 3 weeks to process it, and then they send us a big report that is about 100 pages long with the results. And so the way it works and what the report will show, which I usually go over with patients, what it means and what it shows. It goes over things like what's your apolipoprotein E status, which shows you what you can be predisposed to, what kind of conditions and problems like elevated cholesterol or vitamin D deficiencies, because certain things run in certain genotypes. Okay, it shows you what your micronutrient requirements are and goes through the whole breakdown of individual micronutrients that shows you if your needs are pretty average or maybe increased needs, which means that you need to either supplement or increase those specific foods to address those type of possible deficiencies like vitamin B, copper, manganese, selenium, boron. Shows you toxin sensitivity. You know, what toxins can you possibly be sensitive to, or your genotype generally can be sensitive to. You know, heavy metals, chemicals, what your even UV protection statuses, mental health, various hormones, okay, whether you know you're susceptible to having low or high estrogen levels and what that means. And it gives you, besides those kind of breakdowns, it also gives you a summary of what it all means, what these different genes control and what they do, and food suggestions for what can you eat to improve or help you if, let's say, you are deficient in those particular nutrients, or you have a high risk for, let's say, colon cancer, or having celiac disease, or you know, predisposed to possibly having H. pylori problems in your stomach. Okay, and then so it's many pages, and then it even gives you an individualized food shopping list. So based on what came up in you and the big problem areas that you might have, it gives you an individual, somewhere here, food shopping list. What foods, you know, do you need to address those specific requirements? So that's one of the ways that we can influence our genes. Also, obviously, we can't get everything from food, and sometimes you do need to actual supplements to help your body achieve, you know, the results that we're looking for. So then obviously we can make the list of supplements that we recommend to fill in those empty spots. So this test runs for $350. Okay, we have some in stock at the office. It is very simple. You pick it up, take it home, do the nasal swab, mail it in the already prepaid postage envelope to the lab, and then I get results which I share with you 2 to 3 weeks later. So, and then based on that, you know, we can address anything and everything that is in that report, which is, you know, sometimes quick fixes, sometimes it takes longer. All right, very good. Thank you. Have a great day, and I will speak to you soon.